Take a plastic bottle and use a wooden skewer to make several small holes around the neck of the bottle, just like this. Be sure to space them evenly. Next, grab a bar of soap and a grater. Grate about half of the soap bar into fine pieces. This step is super easy, and the smaller the pieces, the better it will work. Now take the grated soap and carefully pour it into the bottle using your hands. Press it down gently to make sure it fits well inside. Once that's done, place a funnel on top of the bottle and pour in white vinegar. Fill the bottle a little over halfway, leaving some space at the top. Set the bottle aside for now. We'll use it in just a bit. Now, let's head to the toilet. Sprinkle baking soda all over the toilet bowl. Be generous. It needs to cover the whole surface. Next, pour a steady stream of white vinegar over the baking soda. Watch as the fizzing reaction starts working its magic. We've all struggled with stubborn stains and mineral deposits in our toilet bowls. No matter how hard you scrub, they just seem to come back, right? Take the bottle we prepared earlier, turn it upside down, and place it in the toilet tank. The holes in the neck allow the vinegar and soap to slowly mix into the tank water every time you flush. This simple trick does three things. It keeps the toilet bowl clean and free of stubborn stains, prevents mineral buildup, and leaves your bathroom smelling fresh with a light soapy scent.